Rosie is sick because she has hiccups. Oh Jesus, I gave the medicine for hiccups. Don't worry, Rosie, you'll be okay. Here's your pill and bottle of water. Okay, thanks, Daddy. There, I swallowed the pill and drank the water. So Rosie, stay in your bed and sleep. We hope you get feel better.